Okay, so this is PATC Map 9, Shenandoah. This is the North District, and the trail that we are going to take, this is the road coming in. There's parking right here. We're going to go up here, up past Mountain Trail, past the hut. We're going to hit this yellow line is the Appalachian Trail. We're going to go north on the Appalachian Trail to the summit of Pass Mountain, and then we're going to go about another half mile down to the overlook of Devil Bears Rock, which it says is a trail that is not marked, but there should be an obvious trail on my left. Hopefully there will be. And it says it's about a half a mile from Pass Mountain. According to this map, half a mile is about the width of my finger there. Anyway, so that works out. So right about there. For those of you who don't know how to read these here lines on a map, we're going to be starting right here. Each of these lines is 100 feet. The big bold lines just marks the next 500 feet. So we're starting here, it looks like around 1,400 feet elevation, and we're going to head up. This looks like it's going to be steep-ish. We are definitely going up. The closer together the lines, the steeper the trail. And we're going to hop on past here, up 2,000, past 2,000 feet. Past the 2,500 feet. Then it looks like right about here, if you can see that, it's gonna level-ish out. We are still gonna be going uphill, but it's not gonna be as much for a while. And then we're gonna make the last little ditch up to here, which is the Appalachian Trail is right around 2,800 feet elevation. And then we're gonna go up to Pass Mountain, which is 3,000 feet. And then we're gonna go back down Pass Mountain to this overlook. So total, according to Hiking Upward, where I originally read this, was about 1,750 feet elevation gain. So that looks about right according to this map. And it looks like we're pretty much going to go up and then come back down. So it is an out and back. It's about 8.5 miles, give or take. So anyway, that's our path. We'll be looking for the Pass Mountain hut along the way.